Hello guys, today we will explain how to make TikTok videos. So if you are new to TikTok and you don't know how can you create videos on TikTok, then this video will help you a lot. So let's start the process. First of all, open your TikTok app. After it open, the first thing is simply get an idea, means how can you make an engaging video. So as you see, here is your For You page. On this page, you will see the trending videos on TikTok. So always try to record the same video which are on trending. By this way, your video will be trending on TikTok. So it's up to you what kind of video you want to make. Like it's a game video. So swipe it up and here is the lip sync video. Again swipe it up. So you will see different type of videos. After getting an idea, tap on this plus sign. Swipe it to the right side for recording a video. So from here you can record the video from 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 3 minutes up to 10 minutes. So after choosing the time, record your video. Before start recording, always try to use an effect. So by using an effect, your video will look more good. So want to use effect, then simply tap on this effect sign. And from here you can see different type of effects. So these are the trending effects. Always use trending effects. Because of using trending effects, you will get a chance to trend on TikTok. So after choosing an effect, like I will choose this one. Now the second thing is choose the good music. So want to choose the music, then simply tap on this music icon. The same thing here. Always use trending song by tapping on this trending. So from here you can choose the music which you like the most. But if you don't like the trending music, then simply search here for your music. Like I am searching, so here is my music. For selecting the music, tap on the stick sign. So the music has been selected to the video. Now the next thing is want to speed up your video. By tapping on this one, you can speed up your video and also slow your video. And here is the icon filter. Tap on this. So here are a lot of filter. When you will record a video of your own and when you will use these filters, you will look more good. So after selecting an filter, go back and also tap on this beautify. So here are the makeup filter. Select one of these from here, then you can also put a timer on your video, and after that time your video will be ended up by itself. You don't need to end it by yourself. When you will tap on timer, so as you see, here is the record limit. Want to record for 3 seconds or want to record for 10 seconds? It's up to you. After recording the video like I am recording, tap on this tick sign, and from here you can also do a lot of things. Like when you will tap on this edit icon, so from here you can also cut out the unnecessary parts from the video and also put another effects on the video and also add the text. By tapping on text icon, you can add text in your video. Like you want to say hello, then you need to tap on this add text, and from here you can add text from in your video. So after writing the text, tap on the icon done. You can also manage your text like from middle to bottom. It's up to you. And here is the option text to speech. By using this text to speech feature, when you will write your text, the TikTok will identify the text and change it to the speech. So after doing this, tap on the option save, and here are the another features template. This is the most important thing of in the video. When you will tap on these templates, so as you see, it start applying effects. So now you will see the difference in my video by using the templates. So from here you can select your templates like by tapping on this, but it will also change your music. So after selecting the proper templates, tap on the option save, and here is the feature stickers. Tap on this one. So as you see, here are a lot of stickers on the TikTok app, and I can add these stickers in my video. So like I will select this one. So as you see, now the sticker is added in my video. Want to set this sticker in the middle of the video or want to set this in the bottom of the video, then simply tap on this and drag it to the bottom. And then last one is the voice. You can also add your own voice after editing the video. When you will tap on this voice effect, so from here you can record your own voice in the video. After recording the voice, tap on the option save. The last option is privacy setting. Tap on this one. So from here you can also choose your public, like you want to show this video to everyone or to your friend or only to you. So select this, and also want to allow the comments, then people will comments on your post and will tell you how your video was. So these are the basic things for creating TikTok videos. Always choose the trending thing and always choose the new challenge. By using these steps, your TikTok profile will be grow easily. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.